Go from this to this. Introducing AOK, the Adyton Operations Kit, the first and only mobile productivity suite purpose-built for military workforces. Professional tools that save time and make data. Quit counting emojis in a chat app. Structured comms get you the data you need. Muster, secure structured comms. Streamline organizational coordination. Generate data from the field. Log E, one-stop shop for property management. Automate your paperwork. Access records on the go. SCEDS, distributed team scheduling. Create visibility across the unit. Coordinate large events efficiently. AOK boasts a robust security architecture built with zero-trust principles. It's easy to get started. AOK is fully compliant with U.S. military and government standards, and our rapid onboarding is backed by first-class support every step of the way. We've been there. You signed up to serve, not push papers. AOK helps you save time, generate data, and get back to what matters. Be brilliant at the basics with the Adyton Ops Kit. Founded by veterans, built for warriors. For details, visit adytonpbc.com.